Hi everyone, welcome to Luanda.
On fait la fête en chantant. On fait la fête en chantant. On fait la fête en chantant.
Made in Angola. I'm from this country. Oh yeah.
We are at Bungo Station because this is an important point for you to know, because from here you can go to the new airport. I already told you that Luanda has a new airport, Agostinho Neto International Airport. However, the international flights only begin in October, and for now the train that goes from here to there suspend for upgrades. The other part was the front of the station, and this is the back of the station. So you will enter on the other part and you get out from here. It was built in 1889 and marked the beginning of Angola's railway expansion. And the name Bungo, it comes from Bungo of the Kimbundu, and that means horn, a reference from the sound that the train makes. Has been officially classified a cultural heritage site since 2001. For now we can't go inside because it's closed for upgrades, that I already told you, but now you already know where you can pick your train to go to the new airport. But you have to wait, they do all the reconstruction to you have better conditions on this train. And all the information on how to get to and from the new airport is available on this Luanda Guide page.
Je ne vais raconter, te donner la clé. Juste un exemple, la vision du monde peut vite être faussée. J'ai cru longtemps que j'arriverais pas à faire les bons choix.
Very near of the Bungo Station, you have a supermarket and some cafes. So if you are near here and you have to do some shop or eat something, you can come here. So you saw that the Bungo Station is very near of the Marginal. It's very convenient to come here and go to the new airport.
Would you feel better if I said that this touch could last forever? Every moment I'm with you feels like heaven. If I said this is love, would you feel better? Would you feel better?
Right now, Angola is in a season called Cacimbo. This season normally goes from June to more or less October. Here the temperatures drop slightly, but honestly, I'm not feeling it. Only in the early morning or at night, but right now is quite hot. And here's a tip. This is not the best time to come here. Not because the weather is not good, because it's quite good. It's because Luanda during Kasimbo becomes much quieter. Many places close or reduce their hours and the parties take a break. In my opinion, the best time to come here is October and onwards. That's when the city comes back to life. Clubs reopen and there are events everywhere. And normally the reopen of the spaces can be with huge parties.
Tu ne m'entends pas, comme un écho qui s'évapore dans l'univers. Sans retour, tu me laisses sans voix, cloué, perché dans le vide de cette éternité. Je pleure, je crie, je
Now I am at Palacio de Ferro, one of the most iconic buildings in Luanda. In English, Palacio de Ferro is Iron Palace, and yes, it's made by iron. This place now it hosts various cultural events, exhibitions, and all the kind of artistic activities. This building was built by Gustave Eiffel. Yes, the same that built the famous Eiffel Tower.
Obstiné, entêté, acharné, je suis borné. Vouloir y croire à chaque fois, mais perdu dans mon cauchemar. Les portes se ferment, c'est la galère. J'en perds la tête, c'est toujours la même. Bon, t'iras nulle part, t'es pas dans le radar. Des gros labels, fais pas ta rebelle. T'es trop bizarre, va jouer ton bazar. Dans toutes les gares et puis dans les bars. Le temps qui passe, je tourne en rond, toujours en rond. Je touche le fond, dans les bas-fonds. Allons, allons, cassons un pur à droite au sillon.
Today they have an exposition of the instruments.
Ese amor que yo siento no se puede explicar. Contigo nada es cierto, pero no te quiero olvidar. Allá en tus ojos me pierdo. Tus ojos que me piden más.
Hello guys, I'm here in suffer because I want to be in my bed, sleep a little bit more, but I'm here. I don't know how, but I'm here.
You are here.
This be fun, boy. T'entends pas ou quoi? Ça va se savoir. Tu es la plus belle.
Definitely, you can't miss this place because it's very beautiful.
Tu es la plus belle du village.
On fait la fête en chantant.
Familia, muy familia. In this words, I need to tell them in Portuguese, my language, because I'm made in Angola. I'm from this country.
We've been in a lot of places in Luanda, but if you want to know more, you can go to my site, luandaguide.com, and you can ask my AI assistant, Luna, whatever you want. But be aware that she is still young. I'm just building her, so she might do some mistakes in the beginning because I'm just training her about 1 month. It's probably that sometimes she will give you wrong answers, but I promise you that I'm training her every day. Well, once again, thank you so much for being here and see you in the next time.